Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75758. This hitch application will fit the 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape, all styles. For this video, we'll be installing the hitch on a 2018 Ford Escape. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before beginning the installation, check to see that the spacer and bolt head will fit through the access hole on the vehicle's rear frame rail on both the driver's side and the passenger side. If they do not, you may need to slightly modify the hole to enlarge it to fit the hardware. Staying at the back of the vehicle, thread a spacer block through a carriage bolt, then attach the bolt to the threaded end of the pull wire. Insert the flat end of the pull wire up into the vehicle's frame access hole. Feed it through the frame rail and out through the attachment holes on both sides. It's important to note that fitment between the hitch and the vehicle frame is tight, so leave the bolts inside the frame with the pull wires attached until you have the hitch in place. Raise the hitch into position between the frame rails and feed the pull wires through the adjacent attachment holes in the hitch. On the passenger side only, raise the forward end of the bracket over the hoses that cross the frame rail. With the hitch in place, pull the pull wires to feed the bolts through the holes. Once that's done, remove the pull wires and loosely fasten the hitch to the vehicle's frame using the toothed conical washers and hex nuts. After all the hardware has been secured, use a torque wrench to torque all the nuts to 50 foot-pounds. This concludes the installation for the Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2018 Ford Escape, part number 75758. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.